Hey guys, welcome back to Kelly's Creations. So, I told you guys I'd fill you in on where I was for 2 weeks, and I really wasn't planning on posting this, so I didn't take very good before pictures, but this was the color of our room. And there's the new color on the sides. It was a very, very deep blue. Little too dark for my taste, so we went and lightened it up to like a teal. Now, these are the vanities that are in my bathroom, the upstairs bathroom, and the half bath. And this is what paint can do because we only replaced one of them. This is that same vanity, but using Sherwin-Williams Duration and black gloss paint. Holy crap. Now, again, I don't like throwing stuff away. This is the vanity mirror that we had in our bathroom. Now it's hidden behind our closet, and a new mirror which is framed and beautiful. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Got a deal on that at Lowe's. Is in our vanity room now. Now this is our new bedroom color. I still haven't figured out what to put above my bed, but I did find these shelves at Lowe's. And it kind of matches that beach theme I have going on in my room. So it worked out perfect. I love our bedroom. I love that beach feel. And this is what the vanity looked like before. And it was just white and boring. And you can see the top drawers are fake, no knobs. And I learned by doing this project, put knobs on fake drawers. It just transforms it. Oh my goodness. Here's another old before picture. And here's the after of our bathroom. Now, I call this the vanity room because this is the room you walk into, then you go through that door into the bathroom. So I painted the door black, painted the vanity, added the knobs. Look at the difference. We replaced the floor and replaced the toilet, replaced the mirror, and we had structural damage by the tub, so that actually the tub got put up on stilts so that we could replace the beam underneath the house. Yeah, it's been a major project. So I got to come in at the end with the fun part of decorating and painting. And I found this cute little corner shelf on Amazon, added some greenery. This is totally not my normal farmhouse style here. This is more kind of heading towards modern almost, but I just love the clean lines. I took down the medicine cabinet in the bathroom, put a mirror up, and yeah, added my own little touches. I absolutely love this bathroom. It blows my mind that the vanity used to look like this. That's crazy. Now that vanity was also in our half bathroom, so that was the only one we removed. We removed that vanity. We bought another one from Lowe's and put that one in. We continued our floor from the hallway into the bathroom because this was linoleum. We also continued it into, there's a closet behind that door where our washer and dryer is. So I had the idea of painting that half wall black. And I don't know, I'm kind of infatuated with black paint lately, but wow. Oh my gosh. I think this, again, kind of is a borderline modern farmhouse, but I am in love with black lately. So I put it on my closet door in there too. These doors are in that bathroom, and that's where my washer and dryer are. But I just absolutely love this. If you guys saw my redo on this cabinet, we also moved that cabinet into the kitchen. I think it's a much better fit in the kitchen than it was in the family room. My cabinets are white, and I think this cabinet in here coincides with all that white. Now I added these amazing push lights from Family Dollar. They're $3 a light in each cubby. Big difference. If y'all been following me for a while, you've seen this before. It was downstairs in the kitchen. This is actually the unit I did my candy bar on, which, yeah, me and my husband were eating way too much candy. You all were right. Yeah, and we had, like, no hesitation to go grab a jar. So now it's up in my craft room. So yeah, I've used this furniture. I got my money's worth here. I've used this furniture in so many different rooms. But I think this is super cute and I wanted to share it with you. All those jars now have craft items in them. And this unit is up in my craft room, which I'm really excited about. Where that white cabinet was my buffet that I've turned into a coffee bar now. I moved it over to the other wall, and now this is my cute little coffee bar. How adorable is that? And all we were doing is kind of rearranging furniture here and just creating a whole new look. And this now is on the wall where that piece of my craft room was. So I kind of just moved it on over to the other wall in the kitchen and turned it into a coffee bar. And I'm loving this, loving it. Plus, it's always nice to change your house around. Gives it a whole new feel and dynamic. Now, my amazing husband, these are our cabinets before. We've tried everything. I'm going to show you a really, really, really before picture. But yeah, we've put this trim on them. What I originally wanted was like the shaker cabinets. So this last weekend, like he hasn't done enough around the house, he decides he's going to take down all the cabinet doors and make me my shaker cabinets. He's amazing. And I absolutely love this man because I didn't even have to ask, ladies. He was just like, let's do the cabinets. We've already done so much work. Let's just finish it. That's what he did. He took down all the doors. He framed them all for me, sanded them. We went and got new hardware. Yes, I have dirty dishes in the sink. Don't mind them. When we bought the house, this is what our kitchen looked like. This, oh my gosh, I wish it was a better picture. It's kind of dark picture. That's the only one I could find. And that was the cabinets. This was the floor. Old, nasty linoleum. Didn't know if it was dirty or clean because it always looked dirty. We had to replace subfloor when we tore that linoleum out. That was a project. And then we laid this beautiful floor. And that's the floor I told you. We continued it into the bathroom. And then we decided to try to frame the cabinets using those like square frames that you put under a chair rail on a wall. Yeah, that was my genius idea. And it didn't really work well because even though we tried to keep them nice and straight, they're all crooked. Oh, it drove us crazy. Like, we just left it. I've lived with those for a year. As you can see, because this video was in a video I showed y'all last year at Christmas time. So this is the cabinets when they were put up, and he had put a coat of paint on them. The only one we have to fix is that corner one right now. But here they are with another coat of paint on them. And there's the hardware. And again, we put hardware. See those drawers up there? The two drawers under my dirty sink are fake. And we added hardware to those two, which I think I have a picture. And it just totally transforms it. Look at, there they are. Now that one in the corner I can't put hardware on because then I wouldn't be able to open the drawer next to it. So I have to be careful there. But big difference. Big difference. He did such a great job. And I'm just like really, really, really loving all the updates we've done. So there's where I've been. We have been like nonstop working on our house. So I had to share it with my Creations family because I love y'all so much. And I will be back soon with a new DIY video. I hope you all have a blessed and most wonderful week. And thanks for joining me on this little trip. See you next week. Bye, y'all.